This phone has been getting a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. It packs some serious specs at a very competitive price point. So, if you're in the market for a new phone, definitely stick around as we count down the 5 reasons why the OnePlus 12R might be the perfect choice for you. The OnePlus 12R is equipped with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor. This powerhouse can handle anything you throw at it, from gaming and editing to multitasking and running demanding applications. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, the 12R will deliver a smooth and lag-free experience. This phone boasts a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling, browsing, and watching videos will be a joy on this phone. The visuals are crisp, the colors are vibrant, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything feel incredibly fluid. We all hate waiting for our phones to charge, right? Well, with the OnePlus 12R, you won't have to worry about that anymore. This phone comes equipped with OnePlus's insanely fast 100 watts Super VOOC charging technology. You can literally go from 0 to 100 in just a few minutes. That's crazy. The OnePlus 12R sports a versatile triple-lens rear camera system featuring a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 main sensor. This sensor is capable of capturing stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. Whether you're capturing memories with friends and family or simply snapping pics of your everyday adventures, the 12R's camera system won't disappoint. The OnePlus 12R offers incredible value for money. You're getting a phone with high-end specs, a gorgeous display, super fast charging, and a capable camera system, all at a very competitive price point. When you compare it to other flagship phones on the market, the 12R stands out as a fantastic option for those who are looking to get the most bang for their buck. It's a powerful, beautiful, and feature-packed device that won't break the bank. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the link in the description below where you can find out more about the OnePlus 12R and see if it's the right phone for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech videos.